Washing your GORE-TEX jacket. What's the right way to do it? And what detergent should you use? When your jacket is grubby, dirty, or smelly because you've been sweating in it all day, you should wash it. Really easy. These jackets are machine washable. And the way you do it is firstly take all of the armor out. Back armor, elbow armor, shoulder armor. And if you're washing the pants, the hip armor and the knees. Do up all the zippers, all the Velcro and all the press studs and pop it in the washing machine. Short wash on a low temperature, so up to 40 degrees, cold wash is fine. Pop it in and wash it with a mild non-biological detergent. We recommend this one, which is Earth Choice. It's widely available in Coles and Woolies. Well, the reason we use a non-biological detergent and not a biological one is the enzymes in biological detergents can attack the glue on the reflective on these jackets. Nobody wants the reflective looking average. Once it's finished this short wash, the reason for the short wash is some of these jackets have leather on them and you don't want to damage the leather. Once it's finished, you take it out and pop it into the tumble dryer. The reason for the tumble dryer is it reactivates the durable water repellent, or the DWR, which is a spray-on treatment that all GORE-TEX products have. What that does is it makes water bead off the outer fabric, and I'll come back to that in a second. Makes water bead and stops the jacket getting waterlogged. So pop it in the tumble dryer on a medium heat for 35 to 45 minutes or until it's dry, and then take it out, put all the armor back in, and you're good to go. When it comes out of the tumble dryer, what I suggest doing is flicking some water onto the fabric, and you'll see the water should bead. If it beads, you don't need to do anything. If the water doesn't bead, then you might need to reapply a Revive-X durable water repellent, which is a spray-on. So after cleaning, you spray this on, you put it back into the tumble dryer, and it kind of sets the DWR. The advantages of having the DWR really working well, if you think of when you wax your car, the water all beads off it. DWR works in the same manner. It's a hydrophobic treatment that sits on the outer layer of the jacket. It stops water soaking into the outer layer, which make two reasons you don't want that. One is it's cold. It can make you cold because of the fabric, and also it's heavy, so it can make the jacket heavier. So looking after your jacket and maintaining it and cleaning it regularly is really important. It improves the usability and the look of your jacket, and you spend a lot of money on this, so let's make it look the best it can. So in summary, it's really easy to look after your jacket. You wash them, you dry them, and if necessary, you spray them with DWR, and that's it.